Today, prosecutors in the Southern District of New York and prosecutors with Special Counsel Robert Mueller's team had to file sentencing paperwork essentially saying what sentence they felt Michael Cohen deserved. In some of that sentencing paperwork, the most substantive new thing we learned was that Michael Cohen had this previously unknown contact with a Russian national whose name we don't know. The Russian national was essentially offering some help with a possible business venture in Moscow. He wanted to broker a meeting between Trump and President Putin. He thought that would be very sort of advantageous to the Trump business. We have known about Trump business dealings, possible business dealings in Russia, but we didn't know about this one. And this is something that Michael Cohen admitted to the Special Counsel's office as he's been sitting down with them in recent weeks and months. November 2015 is when this happened, which is, at the beginning of the campaign. It's another contact with a Russian that we didn't know about. Every one of those is significant because what Special Counsel Mueller is exploring is contact between Russia and the Trump campaign, particularly contact that might have been designed to influence the election.
There's been no collusion between the Trump campaign and Russians or Trump and Russians. No collusion.
We've seen more in recent weeks how Mueller has been focused on this talk about a Trump business project in Moscow. And we also learned from today's filing that Cohen told them sort of just how lucrative this would have been if it actually ended up working out.
He's a weak person, and what he's trying to do is get a reduced sentence. So he's lying about a project that everybody knew about. I mean, we were very open with it. I decided ultimately not to do it.
This is just like another example of kind of mysterious outreach, or mysterious contact, I should say, between people in the Trump orbit and the Trump campaign and the Trump organization and Russians. And I think what we're still waiting to see is where does this all lead?
Where is the collusion? They're still looking for collusion. Where is the collusion? Find some collusion.